Have you ever archived a photo in Google Photos and later forgotten where it went? Don't worry, your archived pictures aren't deleted. They're simply hidden from your main photo feed to keep your gallery organized while remaining safely stored in your Google Photos library. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your archived photos in just a few simple steps. Opening the Google Photos app on your Android phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account where your photos are stored. Next, tap Library or Collections at the bottom of the screen. Depending on your version of Google Photos, the menu name may be slightly different, but both will give you access to your folders and photo organization tools. Now, look for and tap the Archive folder. Inside, you'll find all the photos and videos you've previously archived. These items are still backed up, searchable, and available whenever you need them. They're just hidden from your main Photos view. If you want to move a photo back into your regular gallery, simply open the archived photo, tap the three-dot menu or More option and choose Unarchive. The photo will instantly return to your main photo timeline without affecting its quality or backup status. Archiving is a great way to hide screenshots, receipts, or older pictures that you don't want cluttering your main gallery, while still keeping them easy to access whenever needed. And that's it. Finding archived photos in Google Photos is quick and easy once you know where to look. Thanks for watching.